Well, a developing story this hour. Advocate Adv Teffo has made a U-turn and he says he'll remain as counsel for the 4 accused in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial, or 4 of the accused number 1 to 4. Remember, accused number 5 is represented by a different lawyer.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Senzo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. So there's a plot twist as Adv Teffo is going back to the Senzo Meyiwa trial after he announced weeks ago that he will no longer represent the 4 murder accused in the Senzo Meyiwa trial because he feared that his life was in danger after he received numerous death threats, you guys. It is said that in a letter to the High Court, Teffo said that he had resolved the issues which resulted to his withdrawal and that he would be returning to court. Teffo recently went to a podcast on YouTube to explain why he got arrested while he was in court 2 months ago. Please check out this video and subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video.
I forgot his name. He was arrested. He was arrested left, right, center. But they never went to arrest that guy at court. They've arrested him at his own place, or they'll rather go to his practice, but not at court. Because the court, Mugabe himself, you'll understand this thing of separation of power.
Yes.
Yeah. You know, once you arrest a lawyer while he's attending to the certain case, in terms of a law, we'll say that trial will be affected. We'll say the purity of the trial is in question because that is intimidation.
Yes.
There will be no fair trial. So in South Africa, we've got the Section 35, subsection 3, the fair trial of the Constitution. So what has happened there when I was arrested on the 28th of April, the intention was to make sure that I become scared and even my client become so skeptic about my situation to say, look, with this guy, it seems as if the things, we're not safe. You see, we'd rather find a new lawyer. It's what these people were intending to get. They wanted me out of that case. But now, little did they know is that I become more resolute after I was arrested. Actually, after my arrest, in the next appearance, that's where I could have announced my withdrawal.
Yeah.
Yes, but I didn't do that. You see, I was waiting for the judge himself to announce this or to complain about this in the open court. To say, now, why did that thing happen in my court? Because like I'm saying, that it doesn't matter. Whether you are the opponent, you are the lawyer representing the accused. The accused might have been caused or committed a very heinous crime. Maybe even if they've killed the president. I can say, even myself, no matter how difficult or how painful it might have been, I broke the Guinness Book of Record because I'll be the first person, first lawyer, first advocate who was ever arrested in court by the state. You see.
In the whole world?
In the whole world. Since that thing happened, because the intention was all about to humiliate me,